Namaste and welcome. Welcome to day 1 of Mindful 30 journey, and I'm so happy to start this journey with all of you here. Today's practice is about connecting with yourself and maybe few things around you also. The idea is to take it slowly and gently. If you are already a practitioner, an advanced practitioner, I'm going to give you sufficient options and variations to make it challenging and fun enough for you. And if you are a beginner, don't worry, I got your back. We are going to do as many variations that can make it a comfortable process for you. Yes, every practice we're going to start with creating that harmony within yourself by chanting Om sound. Om sound is a sound that will help you create oneness, which prepares you and helps you start your practice. Yes, so we're going to chant Om sound together. For that, I want you to keep your both palms together at center of your heart. Relax your shoulders and chest. Close your eyes. With me after next inhalation, let's chant Om sound. Inhale. Have one simple intention for this journey, for this beautiful day ahead of you. Once you're clear with it, gently relax your hands. And slowly take your time to open your eyes. This is beautiful. Amazing. We're going to start with connecting, and with connection I want you to start with drawing your focus and attention towards your breath. Okay, we're going to place the right hand on the navel, shoulders relaxed. You can keep your eyes open or closed. Find one spot to look at if your eyes are open, and we're going to breathe together, just 3 breaths. Inhale, let your belly expand. Exhale, let your belly relax. Fill the air in that balloon. Inhale, let the belly expand. Let your stomach go out as you inhale. Exhale, relax. Last one, inhale. And exhale. Gently relax. Slowly take your time to open your eyes. Welcoming this day with a lot of joy and positivity. We're going to start with coming into tabletop, all fours position. Yes, we're going to make sure our shoulders and wrists is one line, hips and knees are in one line. From here, all I want you to do is give me the basic, most simple cat and cow. When you do inhale, you dip your chest down and take your head up, hips back. Arch nicely. And when you exhale, contract, chin to chest. Beautiful. Inhale, arch. Exhale, contract. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly come back center. We're going to stay here and just roll your head. Try to see if you can coordinate the breath with this movement. When you go up, inhale. When you come down, exhale. And if vice versa comes naturally to you, do that. Now reverse direction of your head roll. Slowly come back center. You're going to step your right hand ahead, left leg back. You can choose to stay here, or you can choose to lift your both arms up. Stay there and breathe with me. Engage your center. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, shoulders strong, alive, body relax. 2, and 1. Slowly release. Same thing on the other side. 10. Just 5 breaths. Stay. And slowly release. We're going to do one more time, same thing. For people who want a little more challenge, you can do the same thing with keeping your knees off the floor. Okay, and then you can extend and balance there. With the rest of us, we'll do it with the knees down. 10 counts this time. Make sure you have a good relaxed body, face relaxed. Find that source of joy. Why are we doing this practice? Why are you doing this practice? What is your source of joy in this journey? And release. That was beautiful. Same thing on the other side. Lengthen, reach out, connect with your legs to the hands, breath to the body, mind to the soul, you to the surrounding, and just stay. And slowly release. This is beautiful. Alright, you're just going to spread your knees a little wide and just shift your hip right to left. Yes, warming it up. Good. Come back center. We're going to take the knee circle, but not on the floor. You have to make circles on the side. Big 10. 10 with me together. 9. Good. 8. Now make sure you keep the weight on this hand rather than the opposite hand. Yes. 5. 4. Amazing. 3. 2. 1. Reverse. 10. Good. 9. Awesome. 8. You feel the work happening. 7. Keep the weight on the left hand. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Whew. Same thing on the other side. 10. 9. 8. Awesome. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. Keep the weight on your right hand. 2, 1, reverse. 10, whew, 9, 8, 7, 6, whoo, 5, 4. Second side starts working a little more quicker than the first because it's already worked up. And 1. All right, that was strong, people. Slowly release your hips. Sit tall on your knees. You can add cushion underneath your hips if you need to. And just breathe with me. From here, slowly drop your hands back, cross your ankles, and sit back on your hips. Get your legs straight in front of you. That's nice. Straighten your legs. All we have to do is get your toes away from you, toes towards you. Away, towards. Let's do 10, 9, 8. Sit tall. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Whew. Shake off your legs. Good. Today's practice is about just being with yourself, connecting. You're going to take your right knee and place it outside the left knee. Bring it towards you. Make sure both the hips are on the floor and hug this knee and twist your body. Just stay. Breathe. Hug it tighter. Sit taller. And just let your body breathe through the spine. Slowly release. Other side, same thing. Cross your left ankle outside the right knee and just twist your body. Hug your knees nicely. Shoulders down, relax. Long spine and breathe. Slowly release. That was really nice. Let's do a little bit of strength practice. You're going to bend both the knees. We're going to do modified and then progressed version together, okay? So you're going to keep your hands behind, shoulders under with the wrist. You're going to go back, lift up the hips, drop your head back, and just stay there. Breathe. And slowly release. Reverse tabletop, okay? Inhale, lift up again. Stay. Hips higher, engage the glutes, and slowly release. We're going to do 2 more times, the same thing. You can choose to do with the knees bent, or you can keep your knees straight, okay? Feel free to choose your option. Inhale, lift up, and stay. Slowly release. One last time. Inhale, lift up. Let's go. Legs together, ankles together, knees together. Breathe. Hips higher. Slowly release. Sit tall. Arch your back. Chin to chest and stay. And release. That was beautiful. Shake off your wrist. Yes. All right. You're going to lie down onto your spine. We're going to do a little gentle twist. Okay. So just take your right leg on your left feet. Yes. From here, just drop your both the knees on the right side. Yes. That's it. And stay there. Let your belly relax, both the shoulders down. Look at your left side and breathe. Inhale, slowly bring it up. Now maintaining this structure, do not drop the structure, just keep the structure and drop both the knees on the left side. You can keep your left hand on your knees, on your thighs, and twist. Feel that belly moving as you're breathing, and let every exhalation help you feel settled in it. The more you keep your body relaxed, the more receiving the body gets towards the practice. Slowly inhale, bring the structure back, and slowly release. We're going to do the same thing on the right leg. Drop it on the left side first, and breathe. So we're doing it on both the sides, so there's nothing wrong or right. It's okay if you have other leg, you're doing it on the other side, that's absolutely fine. It takes some time to adjust into these practices. Slowly inhale, come back up, and same structure, drop it on your right side. You can use your hands to help you push your thighs lower, both shoulders down, and breathe. Slowly inhale, come back up. Slowly release the legs down. Now hug your knees and just rock up and down. Massage the spine. Let the momentum be there and round your spine so that you don't feel a strong pressure on your back when you lie down. It should be very gradual and soft. Slowly, and sit up. We're going to straighten the legs in front of us, okay, and just release down. Okay, just understand one thing. Whenever we are stretching, whenever we are approaching any practice, try not to keep yourself tense like this, trying to reach somewhere or forcing yourself into it. It does not help. It does not work for you. Our mind thinks whenever we start doing this is a reflex mode when we are scared of something or we are in danger. So whenever we are in danger, we have this thing that where we tighten and clench ourselves. And if we are doing the same thing when we are stretching, we are sending the same signal to the mind, to the body, that something wrong is about to happen, and the natural defense mode gets activated, and the body becomes even more tighter than helping you stretch in the process. So next time, whenever we are approaching any stretch, any practice, try to keep your face relaxed first. It sends a signal that you're calm, you're relaxed, and you're prepared for the practice. Yes, and once you are with that, just breathe into the practice. Okay, it's okay if you don't push 2 inches more deeper, it's absolutely fine. All you have to do is breathe into it with comfort, and you will see your body will actually help you go deeper in it. Let's try that together. Just go down, see wherever you can, grab your ankles, grab your toes, grab your feet, interlock your feet, whatever is your current place, be there and just breathe there. Don't pull or push, just breathe there. Every exhalation, you'll see your belly relaxing, and the gravity will help you a tiny bit more to feel deeper into that practice. Just observe that breath. See, your breath will only help you in everything. And slowly come up. Sit tall. Good. From here, you're going to lie down on your spine. Relax your shoulders and chest. Make any adjustments that you want right now, right here. Shoulders relax, face relax, palms facing upwards. We're going to build a habit after practicing. After every practice, we're going to lie down into this position and encourage ourselves to reset, relax here, give that chaitanyas and relaxation to yourself before you continue on with your day. It's super important. Just lie down here and make sure to stay here for at least 5 minutes. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.